Hey, what's up everybody? This is Guillermo Auto. I got a 2012 Hyundai Veracruz. I'm doing the battery and the key fob. The wireless unlock and lock and trunk button isn't working, so let's change the battery. First, go ahead and get it and pull the key part out. Push the silver button and then pull this part out. That's your key to unlock the door. Now, see this spot right here? We're going to get a little screwdriver in there, a flathead if you got one, and we're just going to pry up in that one spot right there on the left. Kind of where this silver sticker is on, you can see kind of the outline of the little panel that needs to come up right here. You're going to pry up just gently back and forth until it starts to creep up like this, and then you could get your flathead or butter knife, whatever you got in there, and pop that panel off. It'll just start coming up. Just work your way around very gently. Don't just start prying real hard. You could damage it. So we're going to pull this back panel piece off. And this is what I mean by just get in there and pry just gently all around it, then it'll pop off. Be careful not to let the battery just shoot out. And on the cover here, it'll say what battery you need. This is a 2032. You could get these at auto parts stores, the dealership, or a battery store. So it's right here. It'll just pop right out. This is my new one, CR 2032. So we're going to put it in. This button side is going to go down on the microchip side, so put it in there. Watch out for these two little springs in there. Make sure you don't crush those two little springs. They're right on the side. Just make sure the battery goes in there. It won't really stay in there by itself, so you kind of have to put it in and then put this cover on it while it's on. And you should just put that on. Don't try to force it, just try to push it on, and then when you're done, push the unlock button to test it. This is good. Make sure you recycle your old battery properly. And then you put your key back in it. And that's it, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next video.